Hello, today we will speak about the right triangle trigonometry. First, we will define the ratios sine, cosine, tangent, and cosecant, secant, cotangent. First, the ratio sine. Sine or theta. Look first to the right triangle here. We have the angle theta. Here, this side is opposite to the angle of theta. This side is adjacent to the angle theta. And this side is the opposite of right angle, which is equal to, or we call it, hypotenuse side. Right. Now, the ratio sine gives us the opposite to the hypotenuse. And the cosine is the adjacent to the hypotenuse. Tangent is the opposite to the adjacent. Cosecant is the hypotenuse to the opposite, which is reciprocal to sine theta. Here we have opposite to hypotenuse. Here we have the hypotenuse to opposite. Secant, which is opposite or reciprocal to cosine, hypotenuse to adjacent, and the cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which is equal to adjacent to opposite. Example number 1. How to find the value of trigonometric ratios? Only we will replace the values of the sides by using the ratios of sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, and secant, cotangent. In the question, he said, find the exact value of the sixth trigonometric function of theta. So we know that the sine is opposite over hypotenuse or opposite to hypotenuse. Now theta here, so the opposite side is 8 and the adjacent side is 15 and the hypotenuse is 17. Replace sine opposite to the hypotenuse equal 8 over 17. Cosine is adjacent to hypotenuse, adjacent is 15, to hypotenuse is 17, so it is 15 over 17. Tangent is the opposite to adjacent, the opposite side is 8 and adjacent side is 15, so it is 8 over 15. Now to find cosecant, secant, and cotangent, we can make the reciprocal of the sine, cosine, and tangent. The reciprocal of sine is cosecant, which is equal now to 17 over 8. The reciprocal of cosine called secant, and it is 17 to 15. The reciprocal of tangent is cotangent, which is equal now 15 over